Hey guys, so here's another YouTube video, Apocalypse Edition. So basically, this is just a simple video as to how to replace a hood latch on a 06 211 Honda Civic. Alright, so obviously pull the hood latch, get your hood open. Once the hood's up, this is the hood latch here. They also have a sensor on it right there. This is this right here. The sensor on here is going bad, so I'm going to replace that. That's why we're doing this replace today. As you can see, this has a little cover piece on it. If you want your new one and it didn't come with that, this should be able to pull off. Alright, so all you got to do, there's 3 bolts on this crash bar here. What is going to be over top of this, I have already taken out, but there's a plastic cover that covers this whole area right here. That has a rubber stopper here, so you'll just untwist that. Then there will be 2 pop clips. I believe one's somewhere close to like here or something, and then one's here. You'll take the 2 pop clips out with just like your fingernails if you can, or a flathead screwdriver. It's pretty self-explanatory when you get to that. Once that's off though, you'll pull it out this way, I believe, handle and then the latch. The plastic actually goes under this and surrounds it. So I believe you pull this way to release a lip here, and then you can push it up back towards yourself and then pull it out through this way. And that's how you get that off. There'll be 3 10mm heads here. So I'll take those 3 10s off. Got these 3 bolts off. So you can plug it. There's just a plug, like I said, that just goes at the bottom of that. It goes around over to right here. There is a push button on the clip right here. Alright, so I got that unhooked. There might be a little clip on the back holding it in place somewhere around here. Anyways, once that's done, you got the whole thing sitting here. The only thing that's holding it is the actual cable to the hood latch. I just disconnected the spring. This is the next step. This spring will be hooked around here, and then the other side is hooked here. This loosely sitting here, and then there's the cable. And as you can see, there's room to push it around. So you just push that down. Alright, so it's kind of hard to do with one hand, so I had to use 2 hands. But anyways, this here is just popped in there. You just physically pull that out from pulling from both sides. Once that's popped out, and you've gotten this pulled out, like I said, this is just latched around the corner of that hook there. Then this can sit freely. The spring I took out, so it's not wrapped around these 2. And then you got the cable, then you got the latch, and the whole thing is disconnected. And there's the old one, and we got the new one. Everything's on there. It's got the springs. This one's actually painted completely, so that's pretty nice. And yeah, it's got the new connector on it too. So that's that. Let's go ahead and install it. It's just the reverse. We're just gonna put the 3 bolts on. We'll put the hood latch cable on. After the hood latch cable's on, we'll plug it in, plastic cover back on as well. And that's pretty much that. That's it. It's fully installed. There's the new one. The new nice black paint. Got the cap on it, all 3 bolts. Just went ahead and swapped that one out as well. Got the actual cable back as well. Well, that's good. And when installing it back, after you pop the cable in, and made sure that there is grease on all the joints there. Anywhere that looks like it might need to move or makes contact with metal and metal, just make sure that's greased up, make sure the bolts are tight, make sure that's popped in place here, and also wrapped around at the catch over there. And then make sure, of course, your cable over here is plugged in and ready to go. Lastly, before you fully tighten these, make sure you scoot this up, or make sure that you've got it positioned in a spot that you find the best. I have an aftermarket hood, so I have to make sure mine is lifted all the way. But as you can tell, there is space. So when a bolt is in there, there is adjustable space that you have, so you can put it high or low. But yep, that's it. The new hood latch is on there and it's sturdy.